Returning inventory to the supplier. If you got faulty stock and need to return it, you can do so from the Supplier Return section. First, you should find the item that you want to return. In the Item section, which opens by default, you can use Search by IMEI or by goods name, and find the device. Select the specific item by clicking on the checkbox, and then press the Return button. You should specify the return reason and final decision about the item. You will be able to access a report detailing the most common reasons you return devices, and each time you create a return, the system will update this report. If you are going to receive a refund for this return, you can put the refund amount into the Refund Paid field. The system will take this number into account when providing an overview of your overall transactions with this supplier. When you have all the information you need from your supplier and your work with this item is done, you can close the return by clicking Save as Closed. If you leave the decision as Approved, the specified items will be removed from your inventory. However, if you choose Declined, the items in question will remain in stock.